So in this tutorial, I'm going to tutor you on how to use the Divi Builder, specifically using the Accordion module. So you'll see I've selected Use Divi Builder. I'm going to insert a column. I'm going to select full length column. Then I have the option to insert module. I'm going to select the very first one. That's the Accordion module. So you have some general settings, and then you have advanced design settings, which will let you really customize the look and feel of your module. More on that in a little bit. Just showing you, you might want to consider, those of you who work on GC sites, labeling your modules is really nice if you're collaborating and working on the same post. Okay, so I'm just going to insert a title, and then I'm going to give it some content. So I've added the title. In the content, this works the same way it does for all of your posts. So I've just copy-pasted a link to a YouTube video. I could have text, I could have a Google slide deck. Whatever content I want to embed goes there. So I'm then going to just preview to see what it looks like. Great. And then I'm going to jump back in the module, and I am going to add new item, and I can have as many pieces of the accordion as I'd like. So I'm just going to go through, I won't add the content now, but I'm going to add the title so that it shows up in the module. And then again, what I find really useful with Divi Builder is that I can stop, save, preview the post. I haven't published it, so nothing has actually gone out yet, but I can keep toggling back and forth between my work and the preview to see if I like the look of what's happening. Okay, so now we're going to talk about those advanced design settings. So I can have a different color for the accordion toggle when it's open. I can have a different background, rather, for when it opens up. I can have different color fonts. You can really dig in and play with the design and the look of the module. I can have a different toggle text color. I can change the spacing, the font size. I can make it bold. So again, loads of design options so you can be really intentional with the look and the feel of the module. And again, going back over to preview, and I can kind of scroll down to, I like the look of that. You can see I even customized that plus is the toggle icon. Again, there's a lot to play with in terms of the style. In the general settings for the accordion module, you can also decide to have a border. So I've selected yes, then I have the options to select the border color. So I'm going to select that for now. I can change the width. I can also go in and I can select on the style that I want. So again, that's why Divi Builder is sort of the tool of choice for professional web designers. There's just so much that you can dig in and do. Okay, so I'm going to preview that, and either I can save and exit, or I can hit that X, and I can go back in and I can, nope, I don't like the yellow. Instead, I'm going to select blue. Of course, that bar over on the right lets you decide the hue. Great. So I like that better. Loads of choice. The other thing that I want to show you is in the advanced design settings, as I scroll down, I always think it's really good to have a toggle font, which there's a lot of contrast rather between the toggle font and what opens up inside the module. I just think that visually that works a lot better and kind of reminds your reader almost that this is the toggle header in case they've not noticed the little icon. That's useful. So I'm going to punch up the font size so that when the reader comes here, they can see exactly what the different sections are. Okay, taking you back over, I know we've talked a lot about Pexels. Pexels videos is also great. So these are open use, very short videos that are wonderful as kind of a side-by-side tool with Divi. So I've searched night, and I'm scrolling down. You can see as I hover over the video, it shows you what a little mini preview of the video. So that makes it easy just as you're scrolling through Pexels video to choose one. And then once I come across one that I like, I select it and then I download. You'll see the CCO license means I don't have to attribute. So in the row module settings, when I go to advanced, that's where I can choose a background video. And again, because those Pexels videos are nice and small, it's the perfect size for Divi. So I set that background, and then I once more go over to preview, and then I can see, is the video that I selected from Pexels video, is that going to work? I like it. I think it looks pretty cool, and it doesn't distract too much from the actual text. So for me, that's perfect for the design. Now, something that you may have noticed with the Accordion module is that the default is for one part of the accordion to always be open, but there is kind of a cheat that I'm doing right now if you don't want that. So I've added another component to the accordion. I've said stay close, and then I go over to custom CSS, and I'm just typing in display:"none" in the main element box. I drag that all the way to the top, and I've basically told it, you are always going to stay closed. So then that sort of tricks the accordion. So now you're ready to play around with the Accordion module in Divi Builder. Good luck.